Welcome and thank you for choosing freeconferencecall.com. You're helping people around the world communicate for free. Please enter your access code followed by the pound or hash sign. If you are the host, press star now. Otherwise, please wait and you will be joined into the conference. Please announce yourself.
Oh boy, here we go.
Hey man, come on, cut it off, man. We don't need it's 712.
You in 712 star?
Yes. I'm in 712 and Zoom. All right.
You in Zoom and 712. Okay, thank you.
Go back, Slot.
All right.
Go back.
Can you all open up 712, please? It's 504. Rahul back. Okay.
I can't hear you.
2671
807
807
9598. Is anybody there? No, I still Rahul back.
Rahul back.
760 21 pounds.
Rahul back, family.
Rahul back, there. How you doing?
Welcome back. I'm doing good.
Rahul back.
Good.
Rahul back.
Rahul back.
Rahul back.
Rahul back. It's 504.
Rahul back, family.
Oh, yeah. Rahul back.
Rahul back.
All right, can everybody hear me in 504? Please stop, mute your phones. Can everybody hear me in 504?
Cool. Yeah.
All right.
Cool.
Now, mute your phones. Can everybody hear me in 712?
Sure.
Thank you. Can everybody hear me in 267?
Sure.
Everybody hear me in Zoom?
Yes.
Sure.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm glad to hear. Please start your phones, everybody. I'm really happy to hear your tones. Bless you. We're going to get a lot of things covered this evening. And I want to apologize for last Thursday's class. That opened up very ugly, very ugly. It was a person possessed in here with the jinn. So please, I accept my apology for that. But it caused me to rethink the format, and I'm going to start out by going into what it is I got the message I have for you. And if anybody has a spiritual experience, they can say it at the end of the class. Okay. We're going to start off going into dimensional. Okay, Har, are you there with the prayer? Chicago, are you there, Har? Okay, I'm going to say the prayer. This is the prayer authored by Partner Bab Yanun that he wrote called the Prayer of AMUN, and he placed it in the back of the part5 concentration. Namuz ul shalil Amun Re'i, Prayer of Amun Re'i. Nuk Saduk bi Amun Re'i, Wunabeb Mo Maduhu. I trust by way of Amun Re'i and his master teachers, Wumadiyat Hu and his propriety, Wu Manzal Hu Li Panan Zeman Wu Wat Quack, Partner Bab Yanun and his warner for this day and time, the Master Yanun. Kalel Amadat Athirli Amun Rei Najor Shalel Papatat Wupataha. All praises are for Amun Rei, overseer of the heaven and the earth. Anuki Nuwapu, I am Nuwapian. All right. So now those of you that have the dimensional shift, and many of you do, because you got spiritual packages from me. All right, we're going to start on verse 60. Are you all there? Let me know when you're there.
I'm there, Messiah.
All right. In fact, let's go to verse 51. Mute your phones in the back. 51. The Kakasu fell off the divine link to higher dimensions and regressed to a beast-like state. 52. As the next shift comes, many Nagaru have mixed their DNA with lower dimensional beings, both physically and mentally. They are out of tune, offline, or lineage, so they will not be able to transport through space and time. They will age and die on the way. They must be cleansed inside out and outside in. This does not mean if you have mixed ancestors, you can't make the trip to Razakrat. Not at all. It has to do with you, the person. Cells right here, right now, and your own zero-time reference. What you do with your body and mind now. How you link to your Saba'u races, Salafu ancestors, and if you reach them in other realms, remember the very planet is alive, and your flesh is a part of it, born of it. Try and understand this affirmation, Nawapians. From the moment of your consciousness, your being or existence was recorded on a time-continuous linear called Serat. That's a fine filament over hill, right? Please mute your phone. *6 your phone, making that noise on the phone. From moment to moment, your mental created the next moment from the womb to the outside world. Then moment to second, to minutes to hours, to days to weeks, to months to years. So from day one to right now, whatever age, you've been recording your very existence on this filament like a DVD or tape recorded as spiraled outward. Like I told you before, your information is being recorded just like to an arborist that cuts down a tree. They read the ring lines on the tree to tell them how many years the tree is old and what kind of seasons it experienced. Every time you inhale and exhale, blink, everything you touch, feel, see, hear, taste, smell, think, from your fears, your joys, your anger, and all your emotions. Each cell as you go to now, your body, and if you scar it, that is also recorded in your matrix as damage, be it ear holes, nose holes, tattoos, burns of any kind, and any alteration of your natural body over the years. You know, if you kept nature's time zones of your body and growth of 3 sets of 8 to equal 24, as in 8 hours of sleep, 8 hours of digestion and of intakes, the kinds of liquids, food, smoke, and all you put on your tongue is recorded. All you say, all you hear, your choices, your rejection, and all you swallow is recorded. If you spit, bleed, ejaculate, and tear, it's recorded. The salt in your urine is needed to ignite, as salt water is a conductor, and your blood has metal content needed to magnetize and electrify your body. With the spark of energy from the sun's rays into your eye hole called your pupil as your personal solar panel. The solar panel attracts the sun's rays to spark the body. So everything from the moment up to right now is all recorded and stored. Now, in order for you to time travel or transport, that would be transport you from one place to another, wireless transport. That would be like the difference. There would be the difference between your home phone, house line, and a cell phone. The house line would be a wired connection, and your cell phone would be wireless connection. Are you following me? But they both transport sound and images, like pictures and things you can get on your cell phone and TV. All right, now it's 74 again. Now, in order for you to time travel or transport, wireless transport, we need this ZAMAL record. And it is stored on a dyed disc or crystal, a briar. Now, what we're talking about is beings that are so sophisticated and evolved that they not only transport pictures from here to there or words and images, but they transport actual people, them beings themselves, from one place to another. Actually. Do you understand? And these Riskians are 100,000 years in advance of us here on Earth. And, of course, that's where I'm from as well. 75. So with that information, you can be transported through formations. Listen to me good. So with that information, you can be transported through formation space, time, and then imported back information and reconstructed from your first moment of existence and up to whichever age in your life up to now can be transported, and all of you and your thinking will be wherever. That's kind of like what you saw on Star Trek when they beam you up. All right, 76. Only the exact moment will change because it's a new moment in your life from where you were experiencing it to where you arrived. We must split the atom of time by the anti-atom, and before it can become adjusted and so likewise. At its center is a program must be implanted for the moment to be balanced. I hope you humanoids can understand this. We have been using it for many of your Earth years to come and go and overcome age and death, even correct things in our lives. We would have done differently while during transport, stop the disc at a point in life and edit it, right? Because this existence that you have is eternal. There is no such thing as death. But you can use what you call death, the illusion of death, as a time to stop and edit the disc and change your reality, right? Much care must be taken to do that, or the whole future of your timeline will be erased. That's why they have masters to do that only. And for those of you that missed it, I told you that I experienced in my bed sleep, and I was laying on my left side. And during the night, elders came in, Elohim, and they took instruments and surgically opened up my back at the bottom of base of my spine, and they inserted a round disc, a clear crystal called a briar. And then they closed up, and when they closed up, that crystal or disc started collecting information about my anatomy, all my mental and spiritual and soulful experiences and sensations, and all of my hopes and dreams and aspirations were all collected on that disc. And then later on, after they collected all that, they came back, opened up again, and took that disc out, right? So that if you so-called die, like I did more than once, when you go up the shift, the etheric cord, the tunnel, what they do is they take that disc and they edit it, just like they do music in a facility in, say, Hollywood or Motown. They edited that disc and took out any injuries that I had, anything that frightened me, or any illnesses or any bad memories or bad situations. They edited all that out and replaced it with beautiful memories and any way that you want to look, or the physiology that you'd like to have, or the courageous that you always. Everybody has things they'd like to change about themselves if they could. Well, that will be the opportunity for you to change, and you don't have to be the same. You don't have to be the same person. I don't want you. Okay, each planet is linked to each other, as Earth is to reside. Each can do this by magnetically drawing into its morphogenetic field particles from the unified of energy for each dimension. So as worlds cross by energy gates, beings can be seen at times, even visit from one world to the next. Now that happens when universes collide, or realities or dimensions collide. Around 2013, just before and for a while after, I could see beings. For example, I was standing out my parking lot one day, and I saw a little black fella, short. He had a yellow and striped shirt going horizontal stripes, but he had 4 arms and real big eyes. And he walked toward me on my right side and stopped and looked up at me. And when I looked down at him, then he took another step and disappeared back into another dimension. For some of you all that get spiritual packages from me, you got a DVD called Interdimensional Beings. And so you know what I'm talking about, all right? So as worlds cross by energy gates, beings can be seen at times, even visit from one world to the next. As a planet pulls in the frequency pattern or tone of the next higher dimension into its morphogenetic field or human body vibrations or force fields, as the planet has ley lines of energy, so does the human body have matrix energy lines. A morphogenetic field is a field of energy that created form to material things, matter as in atoms and or cells. And this is what happens when you go up through that shift and they edit the disk, right? You reemerge as poles, like a left and a right pole going vertical, and then it starts crisscrossing like a spider web, energy lines, back and forth till it starts building like a moth, like a caterpillar builds up a cocoon. It starts building and reshaping another physical form for you that'll be your future body, right? And then it inserts the programming, your personality and memories, and all the things that'll create a beautiful reality for you. It's even so sensitive that for those of you that have relatives and friends or lovers that don't make it, or children, and they don't make it, they get left behind, the program will edit out their existence so you won't even remember them, so you won't have to agonize over them being left behind. All right? Ain't that loving you? As the planet pulls in the frequency pattern or tone of the next higher dimension into its morphogenetic field, or human body vibrations or force fields, as the planet has ley lines of energy, so does the human body have matrix energy lines. A morphogenetic field is a field of energy that is created, formed to material things, matter as in atoms and or cells. Each dimension circular band has a specific rate of particle pulsation and a specific angular particle spin rotation as the human circulatory system. Each race vibrates on their own rate of ether. Now, this circulatory spin, again, is in your circulatory system or your solar plexus. It moves in a circle like everything, as above, so below. The planets revolve around the sun. The moon revolves around the earth. Electrons revolve around the quark in the center of the atom. And you have a central sun, or the light inside of you, which is the aspect of the Most High that he symbolically blew into your nostrils to create the living soul. And your system or your blood circulates around in a circle in your solar plexus, around and around, right? So each dimension, circular band, has a specific rate of particle pulsation and a specific angular particle spin rotation as the human circulatory system. Each race vibrates on their own rate of ether, and this is based off their time or zero time reference. This time exists as unified field or particles on the physical side of hydrogen and antiparticles on the spiritual side of ether, right? So can everybody hear me? Can you all hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you.
All right. Well, mute your phones. Thank you. Just mute your phones again. What they speak